Have you ever wondered why the world works the way it does? Welcome to a journey of endless discovery. This is Explanium.
Geography, religion, and an open border link India and Nepal, connecting millions of people through shared historical and economic ties across the Himalayas. But years of unresolved border disputes, political friction, and Nepal's expanding ties with China have strained that historical trust. Now, leadership in New Delhi and Kathmandu is attempting to reset the dynamic, shifting focus away from historical grievances to restart practical cooperation. Adapting this partnership is a critical necessity for maintaining stability as South Asia's geopolitical landscape shifts. Both nations are rapidly accelerating physical connectivity. Cross-border railway projects, expanded highway networks, and new integrated checkposts are actively streamlining trade and travel. They are also mobilizing the region's massive energy capacity. A new bilateral agreement sets the framework for Nepal to export 10,000 megawatts of hydroelectricity to India over the next decade. And this diagram illustrates the new digital integration pipeline. By linking India's UPI with Nepal's NPI networks, the two nations have enabled faster, cheaper digital remittances, alongside new joint ventures in artificial intelligence and language technology. These physical and digital links serve dual strategic purposes. They inject direct revenue into Nepal's economy while securing India's supply of clean energy and stabilizing the shared border region. For New Delhi, these ties secure its Himalayan frontier and counterbalance Beijing's growing Belt and Road Initiative footprint, while advancing regional connectivity through groups like BIMSTEP and BBIN. On the ground, this cooperation translates to direct safety. In one of the most earthquake and flood-prone regions on Earth, joint disaster response frameworks ensure rescue teams and supplies cross borders when minutes count. Shared cultural geography drives local economies as well. Joint religious routes like the Ramayana circuit draw massive crowds to sites like the Janaki Mandir, sustaining cross-border tourism and employment. While geopolitical leverage against China dominates headlines, but the immediate measure of this partnership's success lies in these daily economic and safety benefits for millions of border zone citizens. This map highlights remaining friction points. The Kalapani, Lipu Lake, and Limpiadura territorial disputes remain unresolved, and Nepal seeks revisions to the 1950 Friendship Treaty. While the open border facilitates commerce, it creates security vulnerabilities, requiring constant management of illegal trade, trafficking, and cross-border terrorism. Compounded by political rhetoric, these persistent roadblocks actively disrupt cross-border trade, fuel nationalist mistrust, and create deep uncertainty for the communities caught in the middle. To move past these friction points, experts recommend implementing technology-driven border management, establishing a transparent mechanism for boundary disputes, and prioritizing climate-resilient infrastructure alongside joint economic corridors. The survival of the India-Nepal relationship relies on moving past historical mistrust to prioritize actionable, institutional cooperation, turning shared regional challenges into shared economic opportunities.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Explanium today and discover a whole new world of knowledge and understanding.